Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about add product video instead of image. So this is most important and most asking question in the Shopify community, how we can add product video instead of image. So let me show you in my screen, then you can understand very clearly what we are going to talk about and what we have to do actually. So let's go back my screen, then we can talk more about that. So I'm going to my Shopify partner account. Login. Okay, so I have logged in my Shopify admin panel, and let me show you my online store. Here is my Shopify online store, and we wanted to, and I'm going to open any product. For example, I'm going to open this one. Okay, and here we actually want to add video right here instead of this product image. That is most appealing and interesting feature that every Shopify store owner interested to add their website. Okay, so now I'm going to the back end of this product. Okay, this is the product, and here is the product admin panel or dashboard, from where we can add product or product listing admin area or product listing area. Okay, so here we add product title, and here is the media, that is the subject of this tutorials, and here we can easily add product image that display in here, but we want to add video in here. Our first question is is it possible to add video here? If is it not possible, then how we can add? Okay, so now I want to share the first question answer, that is it possible to add video here? Basically, this is not possible to add video directly in media like here, that is added in Shopify product as a product featured image in here. So we cannot add video in here. This is the really sad truth, that we have no option to add video in here. Okay, then the second question is what we can do to add video in our product. Okay, we can add video in multiple way in our product, but the position is not be right here, because this is not possible in Shopify by default. For that, you have to hire Shopify coding expert or developer. If you want to add video in your product, you can add video in here. You can add video under this featured image like here, instead of this section or this area. Okay, so now your question is how we can add video. So you can add video in different way. For example, if you want to add video from YouTube, I'm going to YouTube, make a product video. For example, I wanted to add this video, so click on this video, then I'm going to click on the share button, then click on embed, click on the copy. Now directly you can add your video in here. For example, click on the show HTML button, paste this code in here, click on the save. Okay, now I'm going to my Shopify product page. Wow, you can see that your video is added here. You can see there are few error. For example, there's a black area top and bottom. Also, if I make it responsive or mobile view, check it by mobile, then you can see that there is a black area in the top and bottom. So I have multiple tutorials about video, add video in Shopify, how to fix video related issue in Shopify like autoplay not playing on the iPhone or ISO operating system, also how to make responsive, how to resize or fit it for any device or any size of skin. So you can check my others video in my YouTube channel, how to fix video related issues. So this is just a way to add video from YouTube. You can also add video by uploading video on your content area. Click on the content, then file, then here you can upload video, and you can add video code in the same way in the product description area. So I don't want to show you how to add own video on your Shopify product page because I have already many tutorials about that. So you can follow my other tutorials to how to add video in your Shopify product page, not YouTube video. So you can search in my YouTube channel, then you will find video related a lot of tutorials, Shopify video related. Just type Shopify video in my YouTube channel, then you will find. So I hope you understand the total solution and what is the option we have to add video in our product page instead of image. So now everything is clear, and I hope you are clear about this question. And I recommend to add video in your product page in your store because video create huge impression than any others media like image, text or anything. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.